Hi, this is Chuck Oliver with this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, we help baby boomers and retirees thrive in retirement. And the key is the aftershock of COVID-19. Don't let COVID-19 derail your retirement. Here's why this is important. A recipe for retirement risk, likely one that hasn't been greater than what we're experiencing right now, is tax. And this aftershock is going to be the tax. So if you take one thing away from what you can take and really apply and save yourself money in 2020 is don't let hindsight being 2020 end up being what cost you the most money because of what you didn't act on in 2020. Here's this recipe for retirement risk. Gingrich came out because of Pelosi, and the article's titled Pelosi's Crazy $3 Trillion Coronavirus Spending Bill and its secret purpose. And he talks about these key points. So I want you to really think about your thinking, because I can teach you how to save money, in particular by not having hindsight of what you could have saved versus what you will save in 2020. Here they are. Providing money, right? We've already spent over $3 trillion. We already run a $1 trillion spending deficit on an annual basis before COVID-19 hit. Now we've already added to try to save our economy over $3 trillion. And now Pelosi wants another $3 trillion. But interesting enough, as he says, which I think is kind of fascinating with regards to the article, he said, how do you explain a House Democratic Party so crazy that the new $3 trillion proposal has 68 references to cannabis and only 52 references to jobs, and say you're helping the people? Here's how. She wants to provide money to people in the country illegally. She wants to allow illegal immigrants to work when more than 36 million Americans are out of work. She wants to block voter identification laws. And I don't know if some of you have seen what even just the state of Michigan has done. They've actually mailed out the application for voter absentee ballots voting, not those that requested it, to 7.7 million people, folks. Give state and local governments, right, which they already collect tax dollars from, $1 trillion more of your tax dollars, and give tax cuts to the richest Americans in blue states and win, sadly, union votes, and impose a host of other liberal fantasies. Folks, here's the bottom line. She goes on to say, not acting, this is Pelosi, not acting is the most expensive course, right? She said outside of the Capitol office when they passed the bill in the House last Friday. We would agree, right? Not acting, folks, right now is going to be the most expensive to you as it relates to saving tax on your money. She said, we must think big for the people now. Yeah, big taxes. Now, here's the other thought. Higher taxes have never been increased at a faster pace in our country's history, right? Simply go to taxessave.com. That's taxessave.com. And I created a guide, Taxes in Your Retirement, how to remove the IRS from your IRAs and get Uncle Sam out of your future children's inheritance to your kids and your grandkids. But you've got to act, folks. Don't let hindsight being 2020 end up what ends up costing you the biggest amount of tax you could have saved on your money by not acting in 2020. Taxessave.com and request a saving tax optimization plan analysis. I'll give you an example. One of our particular clients, in this recipe, I could give you a lot more potions of the recipe. Social Security suffering, pension suffering, and then, of course, Pelosi getting Biden into office. Those are all recipes for higher taxes like none of us have ever seen. Remember the Green New Deal? Well, the green isn't a new deal. It's the green coming out of your pocket that's going to finance their deal. But here's a client, an acting owner of a CPA firm, and his focus is to protect his retirement from taxes and leave a tax-efficient legacy. Now, here's the great news. Not only did we prevent 85% of his Social Security being taxed, we also taught him how to not have Medicare tax through a surcharge premium when your taxable income's reported too high. We used approved Tax Cut and Jobs Act initiatives by Trump that allow up to, for those that qualify, a 100% tax deduction so he could do Roth conversion at zero tax out of his pocket. And he wanted to enhance his savings, enhance his ability to have more time to kind of wind down his practice sooner. Folks, he's able to accomplish all that. And the bottom line, saving himself $42,000 a year of taxes at today's tax rates. We actually created $7,000 a month of tax-free income, prevented a lot of other tax pitfalls, and you can learn how to. Go to taxtosave.com. That's taxtosave.com. Give us the best time, best day, best number to reach you. We had some technical difficulty last week for whatever reason in converting over a website. So we've actually listed the phone number there. If you need to call, if you're having issues on your ability to enter the data, please do so. You don't want to miss it. Folks, this is the time to save tax on your money. Don't let COVID-19 derail your retirement or allow Pelosi's explosive initiatives to take tax from you to win votes for the blue. You can protect yourself. Taxessaved.com, taxessaved.com.